Computer history spans several decades and is characterized by significant advancements in technology and the evolution of computing devices. Here are some notable examples of computers throughout history. Eniac, electronic numerical integrator and computer, developed in the 1940s. Eniac was one of the earliest general-purpose electronic computers. It was massive in size and used vacuum tubes for processing. Unevac I, Universal Automatic Computer I, released in 1951. Unevac I was the first commercial computer in the United States. It used vacuum tubes for computation and magnetic tape for data storage. IBM 1401. Introduced in 1959, the IBM 1401 was a popular early business computer. It used transistors instead of vacuum tubes, making it smaller, more reliable, and more affordable. IBM System 360. Announced in 1964, the IBM System 360 was a family of mainframe computers that offered a wide range of models and compatibility across different applications. It was a significant advancement in computer architecture. Apple I. Designed by Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs, the Apple I was released in 1976 as a personal computer kit. It featured a microprocessor and was the first product of Apple Inc. Commodore 64. Introduced in 1982, the Commodore 64 was a popular home computer known for its affordability and extensive software library. It had advanced graphics and sound capabilities for its time. IBM Personal Computer (IBM PC), launched in 1981, the IBM PC was one of the first mass-produced personal computers. It established the IBM-compatible standard and played a crucial role in the development of the PC industry. Macintosh. Introduced by Apple in 1984, the Macintosh Mac was the first commercially successful computer to incorporate a graphical user interface (GUI) and a mouse. It revolutionized the personal computer industry. Cray 2. Released in 1985, the Cray 2 was a supercomputer known for its speed and performance. It was designed for scientific and engineering applications and used advanced cooling technology. IBM Deep Blue. Developed by IBM, Deep Blue was a chess-playing computer that defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a 6-game match in 1997. It showcased advancements in artificial intelligence and computing power. These are just a few examples from the rich history of computers. Over time, computers have become smaller, more powerful, and more integrated into various aspects of our lives, leading to the diverse range of devices we have today.